Hi there. So, a PR angle is the hook that makes a journalist or publication want to cover your story. Now, the difference between a strong angle and a weak one can mean the difference between getting coverage or being completely ignored. So, even if you're new to PR, don't get discouraged. Angles can be learned and refined with practice. So today we'll explore examples of strong versus weak PR angles and why some stories grab attention while others fall flat. So now here are just a couple of examples of strong versus weak PR angles. Now the first one would be around trend relevance. Now the weak angle here would be just saying we launched an app. Now, this is basic and doesn't explain why anyone should care. So, it lacks a context and doesn't tie to a current trend or problem. Now, here a strong angle would be on new app helps remote teams reduce meeting time by 50%. Now, this is backed by internal data. This works because it connects to a clear trend, which is remote work in the sense, and then it also offers measurable results and gives journalists something concrete and newsworthy to report on. Now, something you'll notice with these examples is that the weak ones are often short, they don't have a lot of info or context to them, whereas the stronger ones are a bit longer because it gives you so much more information, it creates interest. Now, the next one is about unique insights or data. The weak angle here would be just saying our CEO gave a talk at a conference. So it's ordinary and doesn't give journalists anything new to share. So there's no unique perspective to it. A strong angle here would be saying a survey of 2,000 professionals shows 70% feel meetings waste their time. So CEO provides insight on how to fix it. Now, this is strong because it provides exclusive data, actionable insights, and an expert voice. So journalists like stories that adds value to the audience. Now, the next one would be about the human interest or emotional hook. So, the weak angle here is we hiring more employees, like just saying it flat out like that. So, it's informative, but it doesn't evoke emotion or show impact. So, it fails to grab attention, even though it's a good thing, hiring more employees, but there's just nothing to it. So a strong angle here would be meet the 5 employees who transformed our charity initiative, helping 1,000 kids gain access to coding classes. Now this works because it tells a story, creates an emotional connection, and highlights impact, making it compelling for both the journalist and the readers. And then next up, we have timeliness as well. So the weak angle would be here's our quarterly sales report. It's just generic, it's standard and routine. It doesn't feel urgent or newsworthy. Now, the strong angle here would be how the latest AI trend boosted small business sales this quarter. So, here's lessons from our report. Now, this angle succeeds because it ties your story to a current trend, it shows relevance, and gives journalists something timely that readers will actually care about. Now, the takeaway is that a strong PR angle, it's timely, it's unique, it's relevant, and often emotional or data driven, and it has all of the information listed that the journalist might need. So, weak angles fail because they are generic, they are obvious, and they lack any context. So, focusing on these elements will dramatically increase your chance of getting coverage, and with practice, creating strong angles becomes easier.